So what I'm going to do today is do some dances. This one is called the talk, and then I'll do the wave, and then the mannequin, the king tut, and the rocket. But I'm not going to do the head spin because I can't spin on my head. Okay. This is called the tick. Okay, okay, now this is called the wave. Okay, this is called the mannequin. Right? Okay, or whatever, I don't know. Okay, this one is called King Tut. Okay. And then lastly, the rocket. Ta-da! Okay, that's all. Bye.